This is a short video about science, animals, their feeding habits, the feeding habits of animals. Okay, so let's take first simple video, short video, very brief. So let's see first herbivorous and carnivorous. Herbivorous, carnivorous animals. Okay, these two are adjectives which describe animals which eat only, easy to know, herb, which eat food from plants, not herbs, but food from plants only. And the contrary is carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals, they eat food from animals only. Okay? The only is important here. No, herb, it indicates what? Plants. Okay? Grass, branches. For example, let's take the deer and the lion. Okay? C'est deux exemples plus classiques qui est là. The deer. CF dit dimanche, deer. Okay? Because it eats not herbs but grass. The deer eats grass only, eat only food from plants, whereas the lion eats the flesh of other animals. Flesh means the meat, la viande. Okay? La chair des autres animaux. Donc, the carnivorous, c'est le contraire, c'est là. Donc, qui est facile? On va pas faire confusion à travers le mot herb. Good? So you can note in your copybook herbivorous. Okay, these are the adjective. Now we can call the animal herbivores, RES, carnivores, RES at the end. Okay, let's take the two words. So, first sentence you can copy in your copybook. Herbivores, the name of the animals which eat food from plants only. Herbivores are animals which eat food from plants only. Example, the biggest is the elephant. Let's take the elephant, a small explanation on elephants. The elephant eats fruits, grass, branches, leaves, even the trunk of trees. Okay? So it eats almost all parts of the plant. So the elephant is the biggest mammal on earth, but it is a herbivore. If we will describe it, it is a herbivorous animal. Example, elephant, cow, deer, goat, horse, giraffe, zebra. There's a long list, of course. Okay. Let's take the second one. The contrary now, the opposite, carnivorous animal. Okay, animals which eat food from other animals only, seulement, are called carnivorous animals. Okay? If you don't want to write carnivorous animals, you can write simply carnivores, the name, animals which eat only food from other animals. They are called carnivores. But if you write animals you are describing, you use adjective. Okay, these two, they are easy to know. Now, remember the word omni. Omni, like omnicane, omnispore. C'est quoi ça, omni? Okay. Number 3, omnivores. Okay, omnivores. This part, omni. Not the first time you are seeing this. Omnicane veut dire tout dans cam. Tout ce qu'il y a dans cam nous servir still. Okay? It is no longer sugar industry, it is the sugarcane industry. Why? For example, at Omnicane in Savannah, you use all parts of the sugarcane plant. Here also, it means all types. What is all types of food? Omnivores eat food from animals and plants. So they eat all types of food. Okay? Some example. Example of carnivores. The second one, carnivores, lion, cheetah, tiger, crocodile, shark, eagle, vultures, kestrel. Eagle, kestrel, Mauritian kestrel disait falcon and faucon, hein, la chasse, ces animaux pour les manger. Ok? Bien, carnivore. Par exemple, vautour, il y a des animaux qui peuvent pourrir, vautour fait les tours. Ça, quand les animaux peuvent mourir, vautour vient faire sur les tours. Ça demande un documentaire qui nous trouve. Et puis, il y a l'aigle, eagle, ici, il y a un carnivore, carnivorous bird. Okay? Crocodile, shark, tout ça, c'est un carnivore. They eat the flesh of other animals. Now, let's take example for omnivores. Les animaux qui mangent tout. À la maison même, on a ça. Exemple, les chiens, vous êtes mangé du riz, même la viande aussi, vous êtes distillé. Oui, non. Donc, dogs, hens, la poule, ma section poule connaît, vous mange petit bébé et aussi from plants, du riz, du pain. Okay? Monkeys, they eat small animals and also fruits of trees. Monkeys, the mongoose, the bear, okay, the mouse, the rat. Rat can eat fruits, it can eat also small parts of food from animals like chicken. Okay, so omnivorous, the pig also, the pig. And then the cat also, put the cat. And then there's a long list. And fourth is granivores. In your book it is mentioned, granivorous animals. Granivores. Or if you want to write animal, you put the adjective. Granivorous animals. Okay? They eat. If you take this I, you put here, it becomes grain. Okay? Grani, il a relié devant N, grain. So they eat grains. They feed on seeds only. Enfin, then carnivorous animals, they feed mostly, not always, but mostly on seeds. Like in Mauritius, we have the pigeon. Example, the pigeon. Il mange du pain, du riz. Pigeon, quand on mange, qui fait, c'est la graine. Du pain, c'est quoi? Du blé. Donc, sparrow, moineau. Un petit moineau qui nous a Maurice, vous êtes mange la plupart du temps, vous êtes mange nourriture à base de graines. Squirrel, ça c'est des écureuils. Okay? Chipmunk. Cochon d'Inde, appelle ça guinéen. Pic, cochon d'Inde. Voilà, un petit animal qui mange la graine.